Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have the expression x squared minus 3 minus negative 3x squared plus 5. And we're asked which of the following expressions is equivalent to the one above. So the way we're going to do this is we are just going to first get rid of the parentheses and then simplify everything by combining like terms. So for this first parentheses, there's no coefficient in front of it other than the 1, which isn't written, but doesn't really do anything because 1 times anything is just itself. So for this parentheses, we can just drop the parentheses and write it as it is, so x squared minus 3. For this one, we have minus the other parentheses, so you have to distribute that negative sign. So negative, think of this as negative 1 in the same way this is positive 1. Negative 1 times negative 3 squared is positive 3 squared. The negatives cancel out. And then negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. Now we have to combine like terms. So the x squared terms, we have 1x squared plus 3x squared. 1 plus 3 is 4x squared. And then minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. So this expression is equivalent to 4x squared minus 8, which means A is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.